Hello students, today we are going to do an experiment of chapter life. Our aim of experiment is to determine the focal length of a concave mirror. So for our experiment we need the materials which are a concave mirror, a stand, mirror stand, a screen, okay, that is a screen, and of course a distant object. So I have taken the distance object, the transformer and the yellow building. If you can see that that is a distant object that we have taken for our experiment. Then I have marked different lengths in centimeter. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4 to 43 centimeter I have marked. So first of all, let's place the concave mirror over here like this, okay, so that a distant object can be in front of the mirror. As you can see, the distant object, the transformer and the yellow building, okay. So reflecting surface of the concave mirror is towards the distant object, and the screen is placed in between the concave mirror and the distant object, okay. So as you can see, the position of the mirror is at 6 centimeter, okay, this is at 6 centimeter. So we have to place the screen in such a way that a bright, clear and sharp image of that yellow building and transformer we can see on the screen. So I have adjusted the screen in such a way that we can get a clear and sharp image. If you can see over here, the inverted transformer and the yellow building, okay. So as you know that from the distant object, that building and the transformer, parallel rays are coming. Parallel rays are incidented on the concave mirror reflecting surface. And after that, when all the parallel incident rays after reflection, when the reflected rays converge and meet at one point, and that point is known as our focus. So on that focus, our image is being formed. As you can see on the screen, that inverted transformer and that yellow building, you can see it very clearly on the screen. So the point that we get where the screen is placed right now is the focus. That means, okay, that is a focal plane that we got. Here is the mirror placed. So let's see what the length of, what is the focal length. So as you can see, so we have placed the mirror at 6 centimeter, and this is 15, and this one is 16. If you can see, this one is 16 centimeter. So we got our image at 16 centimeter. So now we will write in our observation table, everyone. So our first observation, a position of the concave mirror is at 6 centimeter, and our position of screen we got 16 centimeter. So length or so focal length will be that ms distance from the mirror to that screen, okay. So that would be the length, focal length, because we are getting the image at focus. So this would be 10 centimeter, okay. Let's take another observation. Now I have placed the concave mirror at 17 centimeter, as you can see. Now let's adjust the screen also to obtain a clear and sharp image of that distant object. So I have adjusted the screen, okay. So we got a clear and sharp image, as you can see, of the transformer and the yellow building. A clear image we got on the screen, okay. So now let's see what is the position of the screen. So this is 25, 26 and 27 we got. So position of the screen is 27 and position of the mirror is our 17. So let's write on the observation table. So in our second observation, the position of concave mirror is 17 centimeter and position of screen where we have got the image is 27 centimeter. So the focal length will be our 10 centimeter. And let's take another observation. So now I have placed the concave mirror at 25 centimeter, as you can see. Now let's adjust the screen to get a clear and sharp image. So I have adjusted the screen and as you can see, we got a clear and a sharp image of the transformer and that building. You can see the inverted image over here on the focal plane. So now we got the screen. So position is 35 centimeter and our mirror position is 25 centimeter. Okay, so you can see the image over here. Okay, so let's write it on our observation table. So in our third observation, we have the position of concave mirror at 25 centimeter and we got the position of screen at 35 centimeter. So focal length will be 10 centimeter. So in each observation we got focal length as 10 centimeter. So we can write, so from the observation we can write that focal length of the concave mirror, so let's name it as F1, F2 and F3 for 3 observation. So if you calculate the average focal length, so it can be F1 plus F2 plus F3 divided by 3. So we got 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 3, which will be equals to 30 upon 3, that is equals to 10 centimeters. So we got our focal length as 10 centimeters. So we have determined the focal length of a concave mirror, which is found out to be 10 centimeter. Now I'll show you the concave mirror that has actually the focal length of 10 centimeter. So we have found out the focal length 10 centimeter.